Hi, in this video we're going to explore some fluid art techniques using Marabu's alcohol ink on Claybord with acrylic pouring medium, also included as an application using masking fluid. Add texture to the surface with some modelling paste. This can be pulled through a stencil to add a design element. Once the paste is dry, add the colour. The ink can be dispersed across the surface easily using some isopropyl alcohol. Take some medium grade sandpaper once the ink is dry and abrade the surface to remove some of the colour. Sand the edges of the Claybord smooth so that they are now rounded. Drizzle some acrylic pouring medium onto the board. Use a palette knife to spread the pouring medium evenly to the edges of the board. While the medium is still wet, apply the Marabu alcohol inks onto the surface. As pouring mediums vary in consistency, it's advisable to do a test first. The pouring medium will clear as it dries, revealing the colours and design below while adding a smooth and glossy finish to your artwork. Apply some masking fluid to the surface of the Claybord. In this case, a masking fluid pen was used, which enabled fine detail. Once the masking fluid is dry, paint the inks onto the surface. Cover the areas with masking fluid completely with a moderate amount of ink. Once the ink is completely dry, rub the masking fluid off the Claybord using your finger or an eraser. The ink on top of the fluid should remove easily, revealing the Claybord underneath. Additional information regarding Marabu products can be found at the link, and for more great content don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.